started. Hello and welcome to SalesFlower's.com's first educational webinar series. My name is Kyle. I'm the social media marketing manager here at SalesFlower.com, and I'm going to be going over some of our basic features included in SalesFlower.com. After this webinar, you should have a full understanding or a basic understanding of how to navigate your simple business search and how to view leads in our built-in contact manager. So SalesFlower.com is based here in Omaha, Nebraska. We are one of 3 top data providers in the US. We compile all the data ourselves and ensure you're getting the most up-to-date data available. So now let's begin. Here's the main homepage of SalesFlower.com. You're going to log into your account up here by going to existing subscriber login. Go into there, brings you to the main homepage. Up in the right, we have 5 light blue boxes. One says start your search. When you click start your search, it's going to bring you to, I believe, just the regular homepage again. My sales leads is going to show you your sales leads in your CRM. Previous searches, this is a useful one if you've looked, had a really intricate, used a lot of filters on a search before, and you don't want to go through and start it over again. Just go to previous searches and it'll have that there for you. So we're going to do here on the right is basically where the contact manager is, along with our business profiles up tops. So this orange button right here, go to my sales leads, that's going to take you to your contact manager. We're going to go over that here in a minute. First, we're going to do a quick business search. So we're going to go over here to the left where it says 14 million businesses. I'm going to go into this box here, and it pops up with the options that you have. First, it's going to be by geography, then by type of business or SIC code. Then we're going to go into business size, miscellaneous, and stuff that you want to omit. So with geography, we're going to, you can go zip code, city, county. You can draw your own territory on a map, search by the area code, by state, or by the entire US. So we're going to, just for example, search for attorneys in Cleveland, Ohio. So start by typing in the city. And there's a lot of Cleveland. Scroll down to Ohio. We're going to click add. Next, as you can see, the sales leads selected will update. This is just going to be the amount of business sales leads that we have in Cleveland. Obviously, it's going to change and get smaller or bigger depending on what we do with the filters. So next, we're going to go into type of business or SIC code. And I've already looked this up previously just to find the SIC code for an attorney. That's going to be 8111. Legal services. And actually, we can go a little bit further because I have the 7-digit SIC code. So the 4 digits are going to give you basic legal services. Let's go into 7-digit. 8111. There we go, attorneys. All right. And that's pretty much all we want to do for this. So we're going to do I'm done view sales leads. And here we have pretty much any attorney in Cleveland, Ohio. And you can sort it out by company name, contact name, address, city, state, zip. Right. It also has, so to see the detailed information of each lead, let's go ahead and click on Gary H. Levine. All right, here it pops up all of his information. So we're going to get his employee size, sales volume, credit rating, credit capacity, and type of business. And all lines of business are included there, and company expenses. So it gives you pretty much a good amount of detailed information. Here's a section where you can add a note, say you've already called them or tried calling them, spoke to them, have a meeting set up, or plan on calling them at another time, you'd add the note there. For a follow-up, you would put the information here and select the date and time that you want to follow up with them. So for example, let's just do next week, 205, generic, just going to write follow-up. Oh, sorry, I just saw your question. I'll go over pricing here once I'm wrapping everything up, but I will touch on that subject for you too. All right, so just the generic note, follow up for next Wednesday at 2:05, hit OK. So note and follow up added successfully. All right, so now that we've kind of added a sales lead, we're going to go back to the start your search. This will take you back to the homepage no matter where you're at. Now we're going to go down to go to my sales leads. And up here at the top, you can see Gary H. Levine, the guy we just had a note about. Here's the note that we left, follow up on December 12th. So it's all there. All right, so that's the basic how to find a sales lead in an area and how to view that information in your contact manager. Now, so to answer your question, Sarah, do have a couple of pricing options for SalesFlower. Let me just get to that real quick. Okay, so the plans that we have for SalesFlower, let me just pull it over here. So we have a $39 plan. It's going to be our cheapest plan. It comes with a 12-month commitment. Then it goes month to month after your first year. There is a one-time $59 setup fee. You get unlimited search, select, and view of any of the business leads and including business profiles. We also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not satisfied with the product, just go ahead and give us a call before that 30 days is up. Our other more popular subscription is our $59 a month plan. There's no long-term contract with this one. You can cancel anytime. It does have the one-time setup fee of $59, and everything else is included also. So you get the unlimited search, select, and view, unlimited business profiles, and the 30-day money-back guarantee. So yeah, if you are interested in signing up, just go ahead and give us a call down here. Our number is 1-877-448-0101. Then I'll connect you to our customer service and sales department. It's a great question, Sarah. Do we get a discount if we buy downloaded contacts in bulk? We do sell we do sell lists just separately and in bulk. So if you go ahead and again, give our customer service a call or a sales team, they'll definitely be able to answer that for you. All right, if that's all the questions that we have for today, I will go ahead and end this webinar. So thank you so much for attending. I hope you found this webinar helpful. Again, for any additional information, feel free to give our customer service team a call and our sales team. It's 877-448-0101. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. You can also visit our website, salesflower.com, to live chat.